awaken.
This is what it sounds like when you got nothing to lose but something to prove. Luminous, the brightest star as the sun and the moon. Gee, I be selling coke, though I'm snorting down some, but I can sell my soul like I was born without one. But I'm a motherfucking pimp, a motherfucking G, a motherfucking trapper. It's cause I'm from the streets, it's the motherfucking rapper. Or am I just a fiend? But I'm not just some actors, tell the pussies fuck with me. Try your luck with me. I dare you, try your luck with me. Try your luck with me. This is what it sounds like when the God speaks with rhymes. A poet got Illuminati's all seeing eye. I don't believe in turning the cheek, I form a knot. But if God isn't spared and rot, then why should I? The great grandson, last of the damn one, shot you a box, swear it's a handgun. Going ham, son, do it at random. The galaxy is calling me, ask Samsung, it's Mr. Handsome. Got all your women wicked girls, just a thought, but not in my memory. Cause it's spit hot, hip hop, gon' remember me. Killing rappers, feeling like Pac on my enemies. I got a story to tell, but you got money from your mummy, yours is boring as hell. I'm still in hell, I draw the line and spray you from the sky like a chemtrail, I only hang with the realest G's. I don't keep pussies around, but I don't really chill with G's. I only keep pussy around, No, won't let them push me around, but Scrooge keep the 2 rounds, Sing gambit to the battle rap, But wait, listen, this is what it sounds like when you're a motherfucking pimp, a motherfucking G, a motherfucking trapper. It's cause I'm from the streets, it's the motherfucking rapper. Or am I just a fiend? But I'm not just an actor, tell them pussies fuck with me. Fuck with me. I dare you, little pussies fuck with me. Try your luck, this is what it sounds like. To hear my freestyle from a dawn, nigga. They ask me, Zozo, what's wrong with you? Why you keep on picking on them for? And they the wrong click, bro. Say what? I don't give a fuck. All I honor could have the army of God with you. Cause I'm a God killer. Don't need the right, cause I'm a song spitter. You guys are girly, bunch of cross-genders. I'm Maddie, got my trigger finger happy. And now I'll give you all it takes. Beef like patties, they don't wanna see me bitch. Doing my thing, blingin'. Hopping out the whip, no shirt, chain swinging. Treat money like the enemy, cause this my main target. And I'm about to hit that bullseye like Dark did. I'm a motherfucking pimp, a motherfucking G, a motherfucking trapper. It's cause I'm from the streets, it's the motherfucking rapper. Or am I just a fiend? But I'm not just an actor, tell them pussies fuck with D. O-P-E-Y. Tell them pussies fuck with me.